What should you do if varicose veins prevent you from living a normal life? Constant fatigue, pain, and swelling in the legs require long-term treatment. How to speed up this process? And how can folk medicine help in this case? Today we will talk about an old tried and tested remedy, alum with soda. What is alum? This chemical compound includes salts of aluminum, as well as potassium and ammonium sulfate. Sometimes alum is referred to as double salts. They are given to us by nature itself, and man has long found a use for alum. Historians know the cases of their use in medicine for 2,000 years. In addition to treatment, alum has been used in leather finishing, etching, and even cooking, as a preservative. Although safer natural preservatives have been found over time, alum is still widely used in medicine as a topical remedy. What does alum treat? First, aluminum and ammonium salts have a strong astringent effect. Because of this, they are able to compress tissues and prevent the outflow of biological fluids from them. This property of alum is used to stop bleeding and reduce the area of hemorrhages. The second purpose of this agent is to cleanse the body when poisoned by poisons. For this purpose, the drug is used to induce vomiting. But it is important to use alum with caution so as not to be poisoned by a high concentration of salts. Use alum and the whole set of skin problems: pimples, wrinkles, small ulcers and injuries, cracked heels and excessive sweating. Some replace alum mouthwashes with alum, as this product perfectly removes bad odors and heals small ulcers on the mucous membranes. But it is very important not to swallow alum, but only rinse your mouth with it. One of the most important applications of this chemical compound is varicose veins and associated swelling. This is because there are not many really effective treatments for this disease that do not have to be taken internally. Local application of alum significantly reduces the likelihood of side effects and reduces the list of contraindications. In fact, there are only 2 allergies to these types of salts and skin diseases that may worsen when exposed to alum. How does alum work for varicose veins? The main causes of varicose veins are heredity, sedentary and standing work, i.e. prolonged immobilized posture, as well as circulatory disorders due to narrowing of the vascular bed. The blood supply of the lower extremities is also affected by the condition of the leg muscles, because they are responsible for stimulating the return of blood upwards as it flows through the veins. Since alum is good at stimulating blood flow, as well as having a positive effect on the muscle tissues and skin, then with regular use this means is able to stop the development of varicose veins, as well as remove the accompanying swellings. How to use alum for varicose veins? To treat varicose veins, you need to take a bath with alum aluminum. It is important to understand that we are not talking about a bath for the legs, but about a bath for the whole body. The alum activates the systemic process of blood circulation, which effectively affects, including the lower extremities. And in addition, such a bath will be beneficial for the skin. In addition to alum in the preparation of the bath, use baking soda. This is a well-known antiseptic and emollient, which has an additional effect on the surface tissues of the body. You will need 200 grams of soda and 70 grams of alum. Fill the tub with water with a temperature of 38 to 39 degrees. First dissolve the baking soda in the water, then the alum. Everything is thoroughly mixed and take a bath for 15 minutes. It is necessary to constantly maintain the specified temperature of the water. To do this, periodically add hot water. If such a temperature initially seems too hot to you, start with a degree cooler bath, and when the body gets used to it, add a little hot water to increase the temperature of the bath. Repeat the procedure 2 or 3 times a week. It is worth considering the contraindications of any hot bath. You should not use this method for people with heart disease or persistent hypertension. It is also contraindicated in the presence of malignant tumors and after surgical interventions, in which doctors have prohibited any warming. And you used alum? Tell us about the effect of this remedy.